Hello student, today our next video of standard 7 mathematics. We will continue the chapter exponents. Today we will learn how to find the value of given number. Suppose that any number is given, find the value of question written. Find the value of 2 power 4. 2 base to the power 4. What do you write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Power 4 means 2 will occurs 4 times. How many times? 4 times. Now it will be 16. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16. Now 3 power 3, 3 into 3 into 3, that will be 27. 5 power 2, that means 5 into 5, that will be equal to 25. Suppose that it is minus 3 to the power 3, then minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, that will be equal to minus 27. What will be equal? Minus 27. Suppose that it is 2 by 5 to the power 4, it will be 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. That will be 16 by 625. Okay, how we have multiplied? Upper one upper written, down multiplied and down written. 5 into 5, 25 into 5, 125 into 5, 625. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16. Now, suppose that it is minus 1 by 4 to the power 3, then what you write? Minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4. That will be equal to minus 1 by 64. Means all of this, like this, you have to find the value of a given exponent or power. Okay. Now, next topic. Next topic, find the value of suppose that some bigger problem, 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 by 5 power 3. What do you do? Multiply 2 into 2 into 2, 2 3 times, then 3 into 3, 3 2 times. Okay, we will write in the bracket and then 5 3 times. What you will get? 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 3 into 3, 9, 5 into 5, 25 into 5, 125. Final answer 72 by 125. Final answer will be 72 by 125. Now, write in exponential 4. Write in exponential 4. Now, suppose that 81 is given. You will prime factorize 81. 3, 9, 3, 9, 3, 3. It will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Suppose that it is given 64. You give 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It will be written as 3 base to the power 4. It is written as 2 base to the power 5. Suppose that you have to write 64 by 125 in exponential form, then also you have to write the same thing. Upper it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and down it will be 5 into 5 into 5. 2 power 5 by 5 power 3. That will be the answer. These all things without using the law. Already we have completed our all law of exponent. Today we will look how to use law and find the value of the given expression or Now using law, find the value of the given expression. Means law of exponent. Given expression. Now, suppose that it is given 2 power 5 into 2 power 4 into 2 power 3. We know the law, 5 plus 4 plus 3 means 2 power 12. 2 power 12. That will be the answer. Suppose that it is written 3 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 4. That will be 3 power minus 5 plus minus 4, that will be 3 power minus 9. 3 power minus 9. Okay, these all we will look. Okay, now this is the first law. Now using second law, suppose that any problem is given of division, 4 power 5 divided 4 power 4, that will be 5 minus 4, that will be 4 power 1. 4 power 1. Suppose that 3 power 7 into 3 power 5 by 3 power 3 into 3 power 1, given then 3 power 12 by 3 power 4, that will be 3 power 12 minus 4, that will be 3 power 8. What we have done here, 7 plus 5 12, 3 plus 1 4. Now we will divide, means minus 12 minus 4. Okay, this is the answer. Now another question we will related to that. Suppose that 7 power 5, then our 3, then you can write 7 5 into 3, 7 power 15. What law we have used? A power m, then bracket power n, then it will be multiplied. Suppose that 8 is written 7 power 0, then the value will be 1. Suppose that the function will be 0 plus 7 power 0 plus 7 power 0, then power 2, then what you write? 1 plus 1 power 2, means since a power 0 is equal to 1, now 3 power 2, that will be 9. That will be 3 into 3 and the final value will be 9. Means we will calculate like this. Okay student, any doubt up to here? You can answer in the comment box. Now a to the power minus n, we know 1 by a to the power n, means high power minus 4, it will be 1 by 5 to the power 4. 3 power minus 3, that will be 1 by 3 to the power 3. That using this law we have to find the value. We will calculate like this. In the next video we will learn how to find more question of that type of exponent. Okay, we use law. Now next question, suppose that 5 power 5 into 3 power 5, then it will be 5 into 3 to the power 5. How it happens? We have to use apply the law, a power m into b power m, that will be a into b power m. Okay, means it will be 15 to the power 5. That will be answer. We have applied the law, a power m into b power m, that is a into b power m. Okay student, we will get some assignment. Till then you will watch the video and write in the file assignment.